And quickly going through the 3 actions that we learned in this class: spread the knowledge of the book, the Holy Quran, don't hide or change it for minor benefits of this world. This was true for the people who were given the previously the book. It is true for us as well. We have to spread the knowledge of the Holy Quran, and we cannot hide or change it for our own benefits for this world. Somebody asks you something and you say, yeah, okay, fine, because you don't want to offend them, or they give you some money or something just to change it the way they want. Intelligent people ponder over signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all around us, and we have to avoid distractions and make space for good stuff in our heart and our minds. And we had a lengthy discussion on this point number 2 and action number 2. Thank you so much, all of you, for contributing to that discussion. We discussed that we have to minimize things that are taking up our time and not getting us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because then they are a waste of our time. We have limited life. We don't know when it will end. We can die any moment from now until whenever. So we should try to spend most of our time for things that are getting us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for distributing bounties that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, like knowledge, skills, wealth, or helping people, or doing all the good things that we have been told. And by the way, we also learned that it will not be easy. It is not easy to let go of, for example, if you're doing gaming or watching movies or cinemas, or if you're, friends, parties and all of that thing, try to minimize, curtail that time, use that time for something good, so that you can appreciate that alternative things versus those things that you're doing right now just for entertainment can truly give you contentment of heart, and eventually you can let go of the other half as well, or let go of the things that you were continuing. Finally, we learned these 4 things for the ultimate success while we continue to fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 1 is to believe, be steadfast, especially in tough situations, be patient, especially when we are being tested, as we discussed in the earlier example as well, and be consistent when you start good deeds and when you let go of bad deeds or sins. We have to be consistent. We cannot just keep on going and keep on mixing things. We learned this, that there is no such thing as, okay, let's do a balance. Let me do all the good things as well, because I'm doing 5 times prayer, I'm doing fasts, and I'm learning Quran, and I'm reading, and I'm this in this class and all of this. Yeah, let me just do this. I will balance it out with the world, and I will, keep on going with my friends, because I have to be in their circle and continue watching those movies and do those dirty stuff or bad stuff or shameful acts or whatever. No, it doesn't go this way. We have been clearly told that we have to be consistent in all the good deeds, and we have to let go of the bad deeds eventually, inshallah.